Hey guys, how's it going? Got some new amps the other day. Preparation for the subs I'll be getting in a few weeks. Been told they're hopefully being shipped from the US in a container and I can pick them up. So that should be good. Got them from a store called, well, from a friend, originally from a store called J-Car. Can do 1000 watts RMS at 1 ohm. Pretty solid amps. My mate's been running them for about 6 months at 1 ohm. He's got 2 of them, I've got the second one inside, and yeah, they're pretty solid. Just got it on my old Logitech sub at the moment, but let's give it a bit of a run. Just get this set up here.
This is an Apex Rise production.
Here's the one I pulled out. It's from JB Hi-Fi. It's pretty basic. I think it's rated at like 75 watts times 2 at 2 ohms or something. It's not even very powerful. It cost me like $40, so you know, does the job. But yeah, even just switching to this, even at 8 ohms, it's just so much clearer. Class D monoblock. Looking forward to it. I'm getting some Rockford Fosgate Punch P3s, 2 12-inch, running at 1 ohm. It's gonna be sweet. Anyway, cheers. Catch us next time.